Alright guys, we're out here at Interlake Dragway. Rob's got those boost controller cranked right in. It's very hot today.
It is hot.
So yeah, I think Rob's getting ready to go out and make a pass soon.
I am.
Nice and easy 974. What do you think, Pete?
Yeah, looks good. But that's all it ran. That sucks. Mile an hour, see, maybe because I did. Well, we're 974 at 138. The Draggy says 975 at 139, so it's actually like totally accurate. 138.8. The Draggy says 139.1 and 975, and this is 974.4. So it's like totally exactly the same. So, but I turned my shift up to 7,500, but at like 7,000 it nosed over. I don't think I have a RPM limit set, but I'll have to look at the log.
All right, Rob's up for pass 2. So 9.6.
Felt really good. No crap. No rev limiter that time. I did short shift, I think 7,400, but I mean that's 100 RPM. I got impatient waiting for the light to come on, I guess. Oh, but she rocketed. Woo. Okay, everything's good. Let's just hope that was better than the 975 pass. I'd like that to be a 940 or something, even in this heat. But at the end of the day, it's very consistently going down the track nice, so that's all you can ask for. It's not spinning. Spinning ain't winning, they say. Oh, there's Mike. He's, I don't know if you, oh yeah, you guys should be able to see him. He's getting in there, he's in there. Better, but so I have a current license. Get out of here.
We got Rob for pass number 3. You know what he did?
More?
More boost?
Yeah. He played with the boost. I have a good feeling about this one.
Yeah, they tend to do that here.
Draggy says. 602, so it definitely went faster. But it was skating around a little bit.
I just realized the importance of the Draggy too. You don't get time for this.
Woo! 588. I just went in the 8. Let me see. $118. Woo! Damn, buddy. We did it. I was trying to stay to watch you, but my car was too hot. You won? 588 and 118 I just went.
Ah.
Woo!
Did you change anything or?
Nope.
Ah.
What was your 60 foot from the last pass?
That's awesome.
138 60 foot. There you go. 588 at 118.
It's ripping.
That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Brad went like a 550 today. Did he? Oh yeah. Earlier. Yeah, against me. I went 588 and 118 in that pass.
Oh, yeah?
Did it just instantly strike him?
Instantly. You didn't move 6 inches. Like, and your tires though, in after the burnout, was like a Mickey Thompson commercial. You could see the goo.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Like I've
920.
I've never really seen that before.
Like you couldn't have been more in the groove.
Well, like I said to Rob, if I spin the tires against Brad, then I lose. But if I beat him, then I'm probably going to win. You know, so I had to do something. I
If you
couldn't
didn't
just
spin,
stick
you're gonna
the
win.
pass that I had against Willett. I don't think would have beat him. And then I had a ton on the scramble. I hit it. It felt really good. It was like, woo!
It's the car Rob's racing right here. Really cool Mustang, similar to Clayton's, except I think he has EFI now. But it's a ripper. It's a fast turbo ripper. So Rob's got his work cut out for him.
Oh, this is semi-final.
Yeah. Did I say final? Sounds like it's spiced up.
Rob versus Brad.
Hey
guys.
Come on, Rob. Attaboy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Woo.
Oh, it is pretty sticky here.
I saw it.
Way to go!
That was a good wheelie.
That was a good
A nice one. I feel like he didn't, I don't know.
Brad spiced it up a little bit there too much.
Yeah.
Dad, the other guy almost kissed Rob.
Luckily he was behind him, yeah.
If they caught up, the other guy would have kissed Rob.
Took out the cone.
Did he go sideways? Like what happened?
Yeah.
Yeah, he kind of crossed center.
Really?
Trying to stay in it. And
Woo!
No harm, no foul, and we win.
I went 588 again, 118.
huh.
Bracket car style.
Yeah, that's pretty good though.
Who won the other race? Pat.
Why? Oh,
Pat and the Mustang.
oh shit. I didn't watch it.
Yeah, I don't know, I can't remember.
You want the fan on or what?
It should probably. I don't know. Will it reach though? Who won? Did Pat win?
Yeah.
First run? So I got to race Pat now.
Taking the place of Clayton today.
Yeah, I'm glad Clayton stayed home. Screw you, Clayton.
It's too hot.
I said I'm glad you stayed home. Because then I'm in the final. What do you mean?
Oh, I thought you meant me physically.
If you had come, you'd probably have won, and then I'd
Oh, I
be.
would have died of a massive heart attack.
Where's this exhaust on that car? It's so loud.
Here we go.
All right, come on.